plane. A little blue. A steep climb out of the airport. It's the second FA20. Now I've got this heading up towards the sun. Hard to tell with that one, it's a bad background really, it's Silkway something or other. Silkway something or other, I don't bloody know. Atlantic, I don't friggin' know. Can't even see the plane. Probably can on playback, but I can see something. I don't think I can get a zoom any clear on that one. There's something in front of it. Up further back, no. Long con, thick contrail maybe. I say just doing a thick contrail. You know, it's no good for aircraft spotting if you can't see bloody planes. Not that I do that, like. I do keep a record of snort rockets, but I don't have these generally. But yeah, let's have a look. General look. I can't see a bloody thing up there, so whether it's sprayed or not, doubt it. All the same, something to watch. G-FRAS, I think that one is. There's the second one. The two FRAs. The first one's G-FRAS and G-FRAT. So they're both going off together. They were pretty close together as well. But there we go. There's FRAS. There's FRAT. There you go, maps, 2 maps. That's just changed name actually to Zeusch Aviation. It was something else a minute ago, it's just changed.